Hello, friends. A very good evening, good afternoon to everybody. And today I come with the message of the day. So let's see what's the message. Keep your eyes on your targeted intention. Thank you, Archangel Michael, for helping me focus on my inner vision and intention. I ask for your guidance in releasing any fears or doubts, granting me the confidence and courage to take action towards realizing my dreams. So this is you have to have faith in yourself. Also, any doubts and fears that are coming right now, just let them go and ask for the courage and have the courage to stick to whatever you have decided, because then you are going to realize your dreams. So don't be confused right now, don't have any kind of fear, and just focus on your targeted intention. That's the first message. Okay, this is Unakite, that's answered prayers. All your great work has opened the door for divine solutions and support. So this is the time where this card is saying that your prayers are being answered. Continue to remain positive in your prayers, and also do not lose the trust and faith. Maybe you're getting very impatient that I've been praying or I have had this faith, but don't let that trust and faith waver in God, and your prayers will be answered. Now this is the question that I'm doing for tarot for everybody. So many times in life we always think that why this thing has happened to us, or why this thing happened to me, or why did this person do so much. So I've just asked a very simple question as to why this thing happened to me, or why this person did this to me. So we are just asking about the reason why. Okay, so that's the question is why bad things happen to me, or why did this person or do with me this. So that's the question. You can think about your question right now, or even focus on the circumstance or the person. So I'm sure you have asked for the question. So let's see why. Now, why this thing has happened to me, or why has this person done with me, or why always these things happen to me only. So basically probably it's the emotional connect with the circumstance, or it's the emotional bonding with that person that makes things happen. And second is probably in that time the decision that you made, you were very confused about it, or probably you were not in a right state of mind while that thing happened, or why that person, you were not in a very right state of mind, and things just happened. And third is that probably you have to forgive and let go. You have to just forget about it, and even forgive and forget about. Judgment is a card of forgiveness and forgetting. And third is that you're thinking also too much about it. Probably it's not so much, but you think a lot about it. So if I sum up the entire reply, so why bad things happen to me, or why did this person do to me, or why these things are happening to me. First is the emotional connect. Second is probably you are not in the right state of mind when these things happen. You have to forgive and let go, and you're thinking too much about it. So I hope you have got the reply. And if you have any other question, or you want that I should remove a card, you can just message me your name in the comment box, and I'll say your name and I'll remove a card. And if you like this video, please do share it. Thank you so much.